What's going on, my people? Again, yo, it's Carpet Cleaning Training with Dre again, back with you with another video. People, we're about to do some tile cleaning. This tile is pretty sharp, man. It's nasty. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna apply our acid, okay? Acid and brightener. And what that is gonna do is gonna help to lift up a lot of the dirt we see. Now, this particular tile, I prefer to scrub it just because scrubbing it is gonna help it to look a lot better. I'm using the truck mount. The truck mount is gonna be turned up to like 1,000 PSI, so we're gonna get it good. Guys, this is what we gotta do when you come into these apartments, when people move out. We have to put them on the steam cleaning and high pressure acid rinse, okay? Basically, a tile cleaning with the acid tile cleaner, all right? That is gonna go in the grouts and on top of the tile and get it in and remove those stains and make it look a lot more presentable for moving. Guys, thanks for rocking with me. Thank you for the new subscribers. Guess what? We're trying to get to 1,000. Before you can get to 100,000, you gotta get to 1,000, baby. All right? Enjoy your Friday. Don't work too hard. And guys, be careful out there. They're trying to give you add-ons, even though you got a full schedule. Watch out when you get to these properties. They take forever to punch these apartments during the week, and then when Friday comes, they try to put on 111 extra cleans. Like we don't want to get off early as well. The audacity of them. But guys, let's get it done. Let's rock and roll, make this money, and be out. Peace.